Gaining weight was the challenge. Keeping it is the craft. Day 30 is the final episode. We show you how to reverse diet, find your true maintenance calories, and turn 30 days of discipline into a permanent identity. You finished the bulk. You hit your target weight. And then, the old habits creep back. Skipping breakfast. Cheat meals on autopilot. The scale creeps down. Not because you lost willpower. Because you never built a maintenance system. Funny moment, you treat maintenance like it is an accident. But staying big is more intentional than getting big. The destination is not the end. The destination is the new beginning. Reverse dieting, incrementally adding calories back to find maintenance without gaining fat, is supported by a 2025 review in the Journal of Sports Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism as the most reliable method for stabilizing body composition post-bulk. A 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that people who gradually transition from a deficit to maintenance rather than suddenly returning to old intake maintain their weight 3 times longer than abrupt transitions. Sustainable habits, including consistent meal timing, weekly weigh-ins, and fixed workout times, are cited in a 2025 NIH behavioral review as the strongest predictors of long-term maintenance success, trumping motivation or willpower. 3 times longer. That is how long people maintain their weight when they gradually transition to maintenance instead of abruptly going back to their old habits. Slow and intentional wins every time. Here is your 3-step Day 30 action plan. Step 1. Reverse diet by adding 100 calories per week until your weight stabilizes for 2 full weeks. This is your new true maintenance number, not a calculator estimate. Step 2. Weigh yourself every single morning and log the average for the week. Consistent data keeps you honest and catches small drifts before they become big slides. Step 3. Anchor your day with 3 non-negotiable habits: a breakfast within 1 hour of waking, a pre-bed protein source, and 3 heavy compound lifts every week. Myth. Once I hit my target weight, I can stop counting calories and just eat normally. Truth. Blindly returning to pre-bulk eating patterns usually causes gradual regain. A 2024 AJCN study found that even small calorie drifts over time reverse fat loss or weight gain progress. Let's recap Day 30. Reverse diet by adding 100 calories per week until your weight is stable for 2 weeks. Weekly averaged weigh-ins are the maintenance compass. Catch drift early. 3 non-negotiable habits per day lock in your new normal. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. This is the end of our 30-day journey. Welcome to the bigger you.